Squatchy's been needing a new top for a good while. Can't really see out the driver or passenger side of the windows. They kind of just, I don't know, they got some kind of looks like mold, but whatever. So we finally ordered a top. It all come in today, so we're gonna take a break from our other work this evening and try to get this top installed so we can be ready for Jeep meet next week we got, and to get ready before we can have our new top on for going to Windrock. So we're gonna get started, and it's gonna be a little different look, a little different kind of transformation. So we're gonna try something different and see how everybody likes it and how we like it. It's got a flap in the middle. So we're in the process of putting the new top on. We built this deck cover, and I like it good, but taking the top, having to take the top up and stuff and put the cooler on it, decided to change the looks of the Jeep a little bit. And so we went to the Windjammer Wrap, is what it's called, from Bestop. We've got the wrap part on, and we tucked it up under instead of tying it to the floor, because I got a sub behind the seat. We just tucked it in under, rolled up the center, so everything's enclosed, but the sub, it ain't nothing interfering with it. So we got that piece on, it's complete. We started to put I went with the Bestop Safari top covered up instead of having just the short top. I went with the Safari top so it kind of covered the back and keep the rain from coming in so bad. But after all the tops I looked at the other night, I got confused somehow and didn't order my header bar for the top. So made a post online on Facebook, and just happened. Had one of my guys said he'd hook me up and tomorrow, and then I had a buddy sent me a message and said, hey, I got one that I used one time that you can get for me, and you can pick it up tomorrow evening, because I want to get my top home before the weekend so I can drive my Jeep again. So, but we are close with that. I got the back ties around the seat belt, went around the seat belt. Well, I don't have a seat belt, so I got to I found a bolt. You got to make a spacer or a washer to hook the back in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy to install. It goes to the factory. I wanted this one because this one actually wraps around and uses the factory door surrounds. It kind of seals it off. They also make one that's called, I think, a Windjammer that just closes off here. It's easier to take on and off, but I wanted one enclosed because I'm planning on running this all the time. And now we got new door uppers. We're fixing to put them on and get it together and kind of see what it's going to look like. I think they're like a fine. So we got the new top put on. I actually had a buddy that had one of the header bars for the windshield that I forgot to order, so went and picked it up. We got it all buttoned up. So new header bars on, the top's on. The only thing I ain't much on is the Bestop way they fold that back, but that's the way it is. So all fits good. I can actually see out the windows now. We're gonna come back here now. Just let this open. Put my cooler tie downs. They've been on here, but that way you got good access to it. Took the piece off of the actual tailgate bar for the rear window and put on here so I'd have some rubber. And we bought some of this trim molding or trim rubber that sticks on. So we're gonna come back here and stick it on from here all the way across, and then when the tailgate rubber comes, it'll meet and mash. And then we're gonna take some and put in here, around here, and it'll mash up and seal it all off. And we got some foam, little skinny foam stick on that we're gonna take the whole cover off and put this foam under. It's kind of like goes under a camper shell or something that's just a skinnier version. Put it under here to keep it from rattling some and to seal it off some more. That way hopefully we won't get no more water in there than we have to if it rains. But we're about done with the little top adventure and ready to try it out.